Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Excel Online versus Desktop. We will explore the fundamental differences between these two powerful spreadsheet applications. The desktop version, a robust installed program, provides a full suite of tools for complex data manipulation and analysis. Conversely, Excel Online, accessible through your web browser, offers core functionalities and excels in real-time collaboration. Understanding these distinctions will help you choose the right tool for your specific needs, whether you are working on a simple budget or an intricate financial model. Let's dive into the details. When it comes to advanced features, the desktop version of Excel truly shines. It fully supports Visual Basic for Applications, or VBA, allowing for custom automation and complex scripting. Tools like Power Query and Power Pivot are seamlessly integrated, enabling sophisticated data transformation and modeling across millions of rows. You will find a much broader array of advanced charting options and statistical functions, numbering in the hundreds, available only on the desktop. The online version, while capable, offers only a subset of these specialized capabilities, focusing on more common tasks. For collaboration and accessibility, Excel Online often takes the lead. It allows multiple users to co-author a single document in real time, seeing each other's changes instantly. This browser-based access means you can open and edit your spreadsheets from virtually any device with an internet connection, without needing to install software. While the desktop version provides robust offline access and local file storage, the online platform simplifies sharing and version control, making it ideal for team projects and remote work. Both offer unique advantages depending on your workflow. Regarding performance, Desktop Excel is designed to handle extremely large datasets, often containing hundreds of thousands or even millions of rows, and execute complex calculations with greater speed and stability. It is the preferred choice for professional data analysts, accountants, and anyone performing intensive data manipulation or creating intricate reports. Excel Online, conversely, is optimized for quick edits, basic calculations, and collaborative document sharing. For team projects, remote access, or light spreadsheet work, the online version is highly efficient. Your specific task will dictate which version is the most suitable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.